Hey guys, what's up? It's Angelina. Today we're going to be doing a style diary. If you don't know what one of these videos are, it's basically a summary of what I did in the month, and I kind of talked to you guys about where I went and what my favorite outfits that I wore throughout that month was. And I pretty much always take a picture if I like my outfit, so usually I'll throw up pictures on the screen too. May was weird because usually I have to like pick and choose, like, ooh, between this outfit and this outfit. I think I like this one better to put in the video. Versus May, I didn't do too much, honestly. I mean, granted, I did go to like a festival and a concert in that month, but it was actually like within like a couple days apart, and it was in the beginning of May. So it kind of felt like a little bit of a lackluster month, which, you know, is different. But whatever, it's fun. You know, sometimes you need downtime. And you know what, honestly, with work, I've been kind of stressed out lately. I know you guys have probably seen like a lack of videos and me posting and stuff, but I'm back as I'm filming this video. I have no plans on taking more time off. I want to get back to in the swing of things, but yeah, so let's just stop talking about that stuff and actually talking about the outfits. So on May 2nd, I went to Bikini Kill. Bikini Kill is they're like, you know, within the Riot Girl area, age, time, history, like feminist movement kind of thing that happened in the 90s, like, you know, around the time of like Nirvana, Kurt Cobain, you know, that period. Bratmobile, oh my god, Alison Wolf was there. It was at, oh my gosh, I can't think. Oh, it was at the Wiltern. And honestly, when I saw that they were like touring again, I was like, what? Like, I was so shook. And I of course got my hands on the tickets. And I went alone. And it's funny because I've only ever been to one concert alone, and that was for Green Day, and I had no regrets. I had honestly an amazing time. But coming up for Bikini Kill, I was very nervous. I was just like, what am I doing? Why am I even going? If I don't have friends to go with me, I should just not go. But then I was like, no, I can't be reliant on other people. It was on a Thursday, and you know, my friends have jobs and commitments that they have, you know, to stick to. So it wasn't like, oh my god, I have nobody. It's just like people are busy, and I totally understand that because I'm a naturally busy person too. But I just still decided to buy the ticket, and yeah, I went, and it was cool. Honestly, once I was there, I was kind of like, why was I even like stressing? I got there a little bit later than I wanted to, honestly, because I took a little bit too much time getting ready, and maybe that was like a, I don't know, trying to like deflect the situation of me being like scared and just like, yeah, I'm getting ready, you know. I still saw like a good portion of it, but I missed the openers. But it was a good time, and to see Kathleen Hanna, she's like an icon. Like, everybody in Bikini Bikini Kill. If you don't know them, totally check them out. But basically, I wore this thrifted wrap, like faux wrap top. It's very like 90s, early 2000s kind of style top. And it has like the 3/4 length sleeves, but they actually like open up a little bit. Like, it has like a flutter sleeve almost, a little bit like witchy kind of vibes. Very, very like 90s, early 2000s. You would wear like the lip liner and like a lighter lip inside with that top, I feel like. But to give it kind of like that grungy kind of look, I paired it with my ASOS blue plaid skirt. That one is like really big on me, and I still haven't got it like fixed, so I had to belt it. I don't know if in the picture I had a belt on or what, but I'm pretty sure that I wore my black grommet belt. I'm pretty sure I wore that night. I honestly felt really cute and really good in it. I think I just wore just like some black boots. What did I wear? Oh, I wore like my little suede booties that I wear all the time when I'm going out. Those are like totally broken in, like I can run in those, you know, like that type of shoe, like you're just trusty going off shoes. I think I just needed that little height to give me that like confidence that I needed, that like bitch kind of look, even though I'm not, obviously. And I actually, you know, talked to a few people while I was there, and I don't know why I get so nervous before, because after I'm fine. And of course, like there are some times where I kind of realize like, oh, I'm alone, but at the same time, like nobody's paying attention to me. Nobody paid to go and look at the person who's alone. They're watching the artist, you know, so I kind of like snap out of it, and then I'm having a good time again. But yeah, that was interesting. Like, I'm happy that I went and I did it. I didn't need somebody else. I did it by myself. And then, so that was on the 2nd, and then on the 4th, it was just like Heaven Fest, which you guys heard me even like talk about that. I had like a kind of like get ready with me type of video. I don't even know what that video was, but I still just uploaded it. Yeah, it was such a good time. It was amazing. Like, that is a concert I'm like never gonna forget. Like, just what a lineup. I wore this Pretty Little Thing kind of like cut out top that was like off the shoulder, and like I think there was some kind of a oh, it was like an eyelet cutout kind of like design on it. It was an off the shoulder white. The sleeves were a little bit puffy, which I love a good like blouson sleeve. You guys know that I say that all the time. I love it. I put that under my Dolls Kill like heart rainbow kind of like pinafore dress thing. It's very loud and very out there, and I was having kind of a hard time pairing it with something because to me that piece was like a layering piece. I don't really see myself wearing it just like by itself. Like, I would need to layer it with something, and I was having some like I was having some issues actually styling it, because I don't know, like it's fun and I feel like it gives like a bright feeling, and I didn't want to pair it with something like black or something with like a darker tone, because it doesn't work for that coloring system in my head. I don't know, it just doesn't go. And other things that I had that were like white or light, I just wasn't in love with. And then I saw that top in Pretty Little Thing, and I was like, I need to just try it. I can always send it back, whatever. And literally, I love that shirt. They have it in black too. The Dolls Kill pinafore dress was like a little bit like looser on me. I used my white ASOS leather belt, and it just worked. Like, it was like a white kind of thing, but with a pop. Like, it was very daytime to me, and that's what I wanted for just like Heaven. Like, I felt like daytime light. It was, you know, in Long Beach, like, so I think like the water and stuff like that. Like, I don't know, I needed that vibe for this festival, and I feel like I executed it perfectly. I loved it. It was a good time. There were some weird things that happened. If you want to know what that was, just go watch that video. On the 17th, my grandpa number 2, who's, I'm not related to him, his family owns the company that I have worked for forever, and I'm really close to him. And he decided, he like left the family thing and kind of did like consulting, and basically opened up a restaurant with other people. Like, it's not his restaurant. I don't even know what the technical term is. It's not his restaurant, but he like opened it, made decisions, hired people, like maybe like something like what a general manager would do kind of thing. But I don't know. It's weird to explain, because like I don't even know the technical term. But basically, he opened up a place in downtown. If you guys are in the area, in like the Los Angeles area, go check out Denim downtown. It's like in the fashion district. It's like barbecue kind of like food, and like comfort kind of food, but like kind of, you can either do like quick service, or you can do like, there's a couple of tables. It's small. There's a couple of tables to like have a sit down meal though. Oh my gosh, guys. So we go for like the grand opening. I bring my friend with me because I don't want to go alone. And yeah, it was a good time. I wore my ASOS like red ditzy floral print dress that has like that random ruffle like along your stomach. I don't know, it's kind of a weird piece, but I like it. I feel very comfortable in it. I'm kind of obsessed, and it kind of gave me like some kind of like cowboy-ish kind of theme, like country kind of theme. Like I was kind of, I guess, going for that. And I wore my ASOS pointed white little kitten heels, and I almost slipped so many times because the floor was really slippery. But it was a good time. Guys, okay, so like we wanted so much stuff on the menu. The 25th we went out, and we went out to this this like party that I wanted to go to for like a long time. I finally ended up going, and I was like feeling myself that night. If you can see the gaps, like my first two outfits were on the 2nd and the 4th, and then the grand opening was on the 17th, and then this one was like the 25th or something. So you can see like I kind of took like breaks and going out, and you know, of course I don't show you like everyday type of things, or maybe I did go out on a Friday or something that wasn't mentioned in here. I just didn't love the outfit. So usually like I have to, like I said in the beginning, like I have to kind of like pick. This time it was just kind of like, yeah, these are what I'm putting in. And this last one was at a club. Actually, the venue, the venue place, I used to go to a lot when I was like younger, and actually I freaking got locked in the bathroom of that club one time. So tiny in there. Oh my gosh, I know there's other bathrooms, but we never go to the other bathrooms because they have like this long staircase. It's like so scary, and when you're like drinking and you're just like wearing, you know, certain types of shoes, like you're just not going to do that. And so we always get stuck like going to that one bathroom. But yeah, so I had a good time. It was a great night. My outfit was relatively simple, honestly. I think what did I just wear? Oh, I just wore like a pink tie-up wrap style top. Wait, not a wrap style. Why did I just say it? Like a tie-up top? It's from Boohoo. It's like a slinky kind of like very stretchy material. And it's like hot pink. And it was kind of giving me like a little like princess mean girl type of vibe. Like Mean Girls, like not like I'm a bitch, but like, you know, Mean Girls type of vibe. And like it's not like, I don't know, it's like Mean Girls with like kind of like an edge, like a bitchier edge, I don't know. But yeah, I put my hair in like little little barrettes, like, you know, just like when you're like boop, you know, when you do that. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I put my hair up in one of those, and like I just felt very cute. I think I had like a glittery eye on. I was kind of feeling like glammy in a way, like 90s glam. I had this black corduroy skirt on that I wear like all the time because it's so tight, guys, but I just like, I don't know, I love it. It's very simple and it just goes with everything. And then I wore like my black suede booties that I wear all the time. But I feel like what like bumped up my outfit was like my purse. And I had this like, I thrifted it recently. It'll be in like a thrift store haul. I don't even know when, but it will be, you know, featured soon. But I had this like, I think it's like a cow print pink like little mini bag style of bag, and it says like, it's like pink, like cow print pink, and then in the middle it has like almost what looks like a patch, like somebody just put it on, but it's actually like, it was sewn and everything. Like, I don't think somebody just put it on. I think it came like that. It says like attitude in it, and it's so like little girl 90s to early 2000s kind of like a vibe. But I actually chopped off like the handle, because you know, like mini bags, like you just put it on your shoulder and like it's just like to your shoulder. I don't love that, so I just chopped off the thing and I added like a chain kind of strap to it. And I don't know, I was just really feeling myself. I had such a great time. The night honestly was like really fun. People were very fun there. At the end it wasn't so great because I ended up losing my card and stuff like that. And I know if you guys have watched my mukbang that came out like previously, if you didn't, go check that out. You would have noticed, or you would have heard like the story about that. But yeah, that's that night. But yeah, it was a good time. May was a little bit, you know, slower for me, but it's okay, because you guys know how I am. I'm always doing something, and June should be fun. This month should be totally fun. I think I'm gonna go see like 3 different people. So yeah, it should be a good time. I'm gonna go hang out, live life. Follow me on Instagram, Angelina Montoya with 2 A's, or my Snapchat, MMUWZ. Make sure to subscribe, like this video if you like these, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.